Good morning, children. Hope you all are keeping well and doing your work properly on time. And in the last class, we have started the exercise 1.3, and in that, we have done 3 questions. That was regarding international system, then Indian system, the naming of the numbers according to the different systems of numeration, and then the third question was there to evaluate which number is bigger one or which one is the smaller one, like that. So we'll continue with this exercise now. 3 more questions are there: question 4, question 5 and question 6. I hope this also you have done in your 4th class, but it was up to hundreds only. That the question was like that: count in hundreds or count in tens, like that. Here we will start with the count in thousands. Count means we have to do the counting like you have done in your previous classes also, like 1, 2, 3, that counting. Here we have to count in thousands. That means we have to increase the number at thousands place. Rest of the numbers will remain same. Let's see how we have to do. Like here the number is 5756. That is, if I place it in the place value order, it will be ones, tens, 100, then 1000. That means 5756. The number is 5756. So we have to count in thousands. That means at thousands place the number will change. The rest of the numbers will remain as it is. You can see the next number also, that is 6756. You can see 756, here also 756. These numbers are remaining same only the change is at thousands position. This position is only changing. Here it is 5, this changed to 6. So after 5, then 6. So after 6, what will come? 7. So the number will become 7756. Next number will become 8756, and the next will become 9756. What you have to keep in mind, you have to see the question. If it is said 1000, you have to change the number at 1000 place only. If it is said 100, you have to change the number at 100 place only. If it is said to change in lakhs, you have to change the number in lakhs position also. So like that we have to go. Now next question is 28999. If I place in place value order, ones, tens, 100, 1000, then 10,000. Here you can see this is 2 is at 10,000 position. We don't have to touch this. We are not supposed to change the 10,000 position. We just have to change at thousands position. Thousands position we have to change. So here if it is 8 at 1000 position, the next will become 9. So 28,999. Next is 29,999. After 29, what comes? 30. So here the number will become 30,999. Next will become 31,999 and 32,999. Like this numbers will change: 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. You can see it is simple counting. Okay, but it is at thousands position. Only at thousands position we have to change. Next is count in lakhs. Means we have to count at lakhs position and change the lakhs position. Here 2 is at lakh position. Here 3 is at lakh position. So after that what will come? 4 and 5. So the number will become 4,75,602. Then 5,75,603. 2. One more number you can add here, 6,75,602. Like this you can go. Howsoever this blanks are given, that much only you have to do. And if it is said count up to 2 numbers, count up to 3 numbers, so you have to do accordingly. Here 16,22,555. Now 16 lakh, we have to go for the next number, so that will become 17,22,555. Now the second question is 16,22,555. We have to change in lakhs position, so 16 will become 17,22,555, and the next number will become 18,22,555. Next will become 18, then 19. So 19,22,555. In this way you have to go. Then after 19, if one more blank is there, so I will write here 20,22,555. Okay. Then the next question is count in crores. That means you have to change in crores position. So it is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, then crores. So we have to change at this position only. The rest of the positions will remain as it is. It is 1 crore 72 lakhs 52,190. So after 1 crore, the next number will become 2 crore 72 lakhs 52,190. Then after 2 crore, 3 crore 72 lakh 52,190. Then next will become 4 crore 72 lakh 52,190, and after 4, 5 will come. So 5 crore 72 lakhs 52,190. So as you can see, this is the position changing is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The rest of the positions are, the rest of the numbers are same. No changes in that. Then next is 3 crore 50 lakh 63,500. Then 4 crore 50 lakh 63,500. So 3 crore, then 4 crore. So next will become 5 crore 50 lakh 63,500. Then 6 crore 50 lakh 63,500, and the last will become 7 crore 50 lakh 63,500. Okay, so I hope you have understood up to this. Here we end up with this exercise. We'll meet for the next exercise and something new in the next class. Thank you.